Hi guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 7 divided by 1 divided by 7 times 7. So how can we find the value of this expression? Firstly, we should all know about KCF, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. We can write it as 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay guys? Remember that division and multiplication have equal priority in PEMDAS, but we have to from left to right. So I can write here 7 divided by 7 divided by 7. Now 7 times 7, which is equal to 49 times 7. 49 times 7 finally equal to 343. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment and kindly subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Thanks a lot.